Okay, so now let me now show you where you can actually list your channels. So now that you have built them, where you can actually list them to get that hot traffic and to get sales quickly for your channel. So there are a few websites where you can list your channels, and the first one is eBay. So you can just come over to eBay, you will create an account. If you haven't already, you will click on this register button right here and you will just create an account. It's absolutely free. Let me just show you how it's done. So you will just enter your first name, last name, email, password, and that's all. You will create an account, or you can simply continue with Facebook or continue with Google. You'll just click this button right here and you will just quickly connect it with your Facebook account or quickly connect it with your Google account. So it's super simple to create an account on eBay, and then you will just list your channel for sale. And as you can see, some of them are actually selling their channels for like $10,000, 1,000 subscribers for $160. And if you use the strategies, the methods that I showed in some of the previous lectures, I mean, you can get 1,400 subscribers in like a week or so, and then create as many channels and sell them over and over again. So this is one place where you can list your channels, and it works really well because people are already looking for YouTube channels, and when they search in Google for YouTube channel for sale, eBay is going to be the first one that's going to show up. So your listing can rank high in Google because they are listed on eBay. But just keep in mind, eBay will take around 4 to 5% of each sale you make. So if you sell this for like $100, they will take $4 to $5 or even more than that. Then you will probably have to wait because it's going through eBay. And if you're selling, if you're receiving your payments through PayPal, you will probably have to wait like a month because your funds will be on hold. So you will probably have to wait like a month to get your earnings each time you sell something. So that's something I really don't like about eBay. But it's definitely a great way to get sales quickly. Then the second website that you can go to is actually way better, and it's actually created just for selling Instagram accounts. So it's Fameswap.com. It's a social media accounts for sale. As you can see, you will just create an account here, and it works perfectly. Selling accounts on this website can really make you a lot of money, and people are constantly coming. There's a lot of members, and people are constantly coming right here just to buy YouTube channels or Instagram accounts. So and if you search for YouTube channels, you can see that people are selling them for thousands and thousands of dollars. And I have actually listed a channel just yesterday, a new channel. I have set up a new channel, and I listed it on this website, and I'm getting like new messages every single hour. As you can see, I have 8 messages because people are coming here with one purpose, and that is to buy YouTube channels or buy Instagram accounts. But specifically, we'll be focusing on selling Instagram accounts, and how you will be actually creating. I'm going to show you in the next lecture how you can actually list your accounts on these websites, how you can use them and stuff like that. So it's definitely Fameswap.com. You'll just come over here. There's going to be probably a green button right here. It's going to say register. You will quickly register. Some simple stuff. Enter your name, last name, password, and all that basic stuff. You will just create an account right here. And then you will list your channels right on this page where people can find them. And just keep in mind that if you're selling through Fameswap, not commissions, but you will have to pay a lot for fees. The fee is like at least $100 each time you sell something. So if you sell it for $500, they will take $100, and so on and so forth. So fees are really huge. But in the last lecture, I'm going to show you how to avoid paying those fees and literally save thousands of dollars, as I said. So that's why I mentioned avoiding fees. So I'm going to show you all of that in some of the next lectures, and I'm going to show you how to actually avoid being scammed on these websites and make some nice commissions each time you sell a channel. Wait, before you go, I want to show you another website where we can sell your channels, where you can list your channels for sale, and that way increase your customers, increase your sales, and increase everything. But I rather recommend you not list your channels on this website, but rather than that, you can buy channels from this website and then resell them on Fameswap and eBay, because on this website people are selling their channels for really cheap, because this is like a forum, and you can basically, not a lot of people knows about this website. It's Playerup.com. You can just go to Playerup.com, and if you search for Playerup.com and YouTube channels. Let me just go, and people are actually selling them here for like as you can see, $250. It's monetizable, so it's not monetized, it's non-monetized channel, but it can be monetized, and people are selling them for $250, $650, $2,300. You can basically buy them over here and then sell them on Fameswap and eBay. So like if you don't want to build them, if you don't want to build the channels yourself and you have some money to invest, you can buy some channels on Playerup.com and just sell them on Fameswap and eBay. Or if you want to, you can list your channels as well here for sale.